I'm starting this video with a laugh because databases sometimes get really funny. Let me show you something. In AdventureWorks 2016, there is this table person.person. I've made a few changes. Let us fire a select statement and filter on last name like Bansal. If I execute this, you will see that there are two records, Sumit Bansal and Amit Bansal with value 1 and 2. So just two records, two occurrences of Bansal. Let us simulate user 1. User 1 is going to update Bansal 2 to Bansal 3 for the value Amit here. And note that this is going to be an in-flight transaction, no commit or rollback. And see that only one record is going to be updated. Done. Now let us simulate user 2. User 2 is going to fire the same select statement which I just showed you. So let's go and execute this. And as you can expect that this is going to wait because of the blocking behavior. Let's go back to user 1, and user 1 within the same transaction is going to fire the second update statement, and it's going to update the other occurrence of Bansal, which is for Sumit, and the value is going to be changed from Bansal 1 to Bansal 4. Let's go and do that. And this is going to be our second update, and note that only one record is being affected. The moment we commit this transaction for user 2, the select statement is going to complete. So let's commit this and switch over to user 2, and you will see that the select statement goes through. And to your surprise, you will see that there are 3 occurrences of Bansal now, not 2. Remember, we only fired an update statement. We have not inserted a record, which means Sumit Bansal here is being read twice, right? This is a double read thing. And of course, this is not a bug. This is the locking architecture and blocking behavior, and it's really interesting case. So why is this happening? Well, you should figure this out yourself. If you're watching this on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, do give your answers in the comments section. And if you're not able to figure this out, jump to either of these websites, SQL Maestros, SQL Server Geeks, or Data Platform Geeks, and look for a recent blog post where I have explained this phenomenon. Well, hope you like this video. Do subscribe, share, and retweet for your friends. I'm available on Twitter, _Bansal. Do follow me there. And hope this was fun. See you soon in another video.